It's part of life. You should be worried because if you are not worried for your future. So hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. My name is Vinayak Madan and you are watching Do It My Way. So guys, back again with a very good information for you. As you're aware that there's a recruitment which is going to happen for Qatar Airways in almost three cities, which is Goa and Mumbai and Amritsar as well. So in regards to that, we also have to book the flights because nobody is from the same city. If you talk about very less number of people which are from the same similar cities where the recruitment is going to happen. So in that case, I had a word with my subscribers and they were quite worried because I know that when we have to pay from our pocket 15,000-20,000 extra and on which we are not sure as well, so it is not a small thing, right? So in regards to that, I already had a word with all the three hotels and truly saying that I was not able to record the video. I can just show the screenshot. I had a word, but the only problem was that recently I had changed my settings of OnePlus 6, which is my mobile phone. I was not able to understand how to record the conversation, but please stay tuned. What is the exact reason? So what is my say on that should you join, should you go for that particular interview, what is going to happen, should you cancel the flights or not? So please guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So guys, I had a word with the HR first and also the sales representative, who the person who really booked that particular event. So I had a word. I requested them that yes, we are coming from Punjab and different cities of India, and it's not possible for us to manage things if something goes wrong. So what they advised me that still this is on, the recruitment is still on, but you never know what's gonna happen, because now I was reading the newspaper today and I came to know that yes, almost 1 lakh cases which came in India today of Omicron, and you can say different variants of COVID-19. So I think so that could really cause a problem while going for the recruitment, and I'm not sure that yes, this gonna happen or not. So they requested me that Vinayak, it would be better that you have a word with the Qatar team. So I am thinking of getting in touch with someone who is into the recruitment team, or I'll try to email them as soon as possible. But the problem is that they might not reply, or because it's not possible for them as well. So the only problem is that they said that Vinayak, right now or till now we have the booking for the Qatar people, but you never know when they will say please cancel it, so we have to cancel that booking. So it's not about surety. They have said that right now we have it, but now we don't know that in the afternoon they call us and they say that yes, please cancel the booking, as the cases are going a lot and it's on the peak. So it's not a good thinking that yes, you should confirm from us. It's better you get in touch with the Qatar team and just understand what's exactly the scenario. So guys, I would recommend that please, who have booked the flight booking, so please keep it let it be booked. Give me a day because you can do nothing right now. And the people who have not booked the flights, please wait for at least 2 to 3 days. Better you spend 2,000, 3,000 extra for the booking, but you the cancellations of the booking can cost you around 8,000, right? So it's better not to spend money. You can book the flight after at least 2 to 3 days. Let us confirm once so that you can understand what is the exact scenario. So guys, this was all about this particular video. I was not able to tell you individually, so it was the only way, medium and the mode or the source you can say through which I could have informed you what's the exact scenario. So guys, this was all about this particular video. If you still have any concerns, please drop me an email on vinayakmadan01@gmail.com. Else you can just connect me on my Instagram handle, that is vinayakmadan6, or do comment me under the video section. Do tell me how was the video. If you have any queries, you can again ask me that, right? So I'll see you in the next particular video, and do not forget to subscribe this channel because good content is coming ahead of this. So guys, all the best, wish you all the best. I know it happens, you are quite worried. It happened with me. We are human beings, it tends to happen. It's very easy to say that yes, please do not worry, it's okay, it's part of life. You should be worried because if you are not worried for your future, I think so you are in trouble. You should be worried, guys. So guys, I'll see you in the next particular video. Till then, bye bye, Shabba Khair.